Hey, what up? I just got some plates here fresh out of the kiln. I'll give you a look here. These plates were slab rolled, and then I put them on the wheel to lift the lip. And these glazes are all from the community studio. Warm white, navy, Falls Creek Chino. I think this was Pierre's Temeko. They turned out pretty good. I just put them on one of those spinner things and dripped the glaze on top. I'm not sure if I really like this. I think I prefer drawing on my pottery, but it was fun to try it out. So let's go have a look at some student work from some of my classes. Just thought I'd show you some of the students' work. Here's a birthday party that I need to glaze. And here's a wall pocket class I did, but I still need to clear glaze these. These were painted in underglaze. Here's a class I just did yesterday, making masks. Some of my own plates I still need to glaze. And today we're going to be hand building some fish. Here's some student work ready to get vitrified, and then they can paint on them after. Here's a class I just did making angels. And turtles. Here's some of my plates that are drying. Some student plates. and one of the wall pockets. And today we're going to be making fairy garden pots. I'm going to use these mats to make a slab rolled pot, probably for a succulent or cactus, and then we're going to make miniatures to put into the pot.
Hey!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.